Having data management technologies in place can make ensuring data quality much more efficient and straightforward. Here are a few important strategies you can apply to collect good quality data. First, don't use too many data points. Don't overwhelm your team or systems with too many data points. Start with a business question you want to answer or the audience variable you want to segment and personalize. From there, build the data strategy and ongoing data hygiene maintenance to support it. Secondly, remember, junk in is junk out. Data management hygiene process is often overlooked by data source and enrichment. Partner cross-functionally to implement data standards, governance as well as an internal service agreement between teams and make them accountable. Remember, it's great to have a credible data source, but it only takes one or two bad habits to quickly destroy it. Third, hire skilled people. Quality check their work and ensure a closed loop process whereby insights get to the appropriate people within an organization to take action. Fourth, start small and expand. Too often, we are flooded with data, leading to mental fatigue and decision paralysis in today's modern world. A better approach is to cherry-pick the most meaningful data points for your priority goals first. Once you have a system in place that ensures that data is clean and usable on an ongoing basis, expand the amount of data you collect to get more granular. Fifth, use a centralized third-party reporting platform. Get your metrics out of the specific advertisement platform, analytics platform and other sources and pull them together into an integrated reporting system. By seeing all the metrics, harmonizing the channel data and aligning with business success metrics, you can build the real funnel and view of success and get attributions right. Sixth, regularly check your data source. Data is critical and we are only as good as the quality of data we receive. Also, building a baseline to track big fluctuations or outliers in data helps catch data errors quickly. Seventh, understand what matters to customers. We really need to understand what matters most to our end customers. How do they measure success? We can have all the data in the world, but if it doesn't tie to the ROI, it isn't actionable. It will just create noise. Keep it simple and focus on actionable insights that ties to the ROI. Eighth, be committed to disciplined data entry. High quality data is directly correlated to your team's commitment to disciplined data entry, attention to detail, and analytical rigor. It is in part acquired by hiring people with an inquisitive mindset, and in part instilled over time by making it standard practice to dig deep and never stop at the surface of issues. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And ninth, know exactly what KPI to target. First, write down exactly what KPIs matter and then instrument the collection of this data through a CRM or similar technology. Finally, to ensure data quality, always do a manual review cross-functionally to gut check if your teams agree with what the data says. In the upcoming sessions, we will focus more on the benefits of having quality data and the cost of having poor quality data. Please tune to the upcoming sessions, which are building blocks for the data visualization sessions we will share in the future. Thank you for blocking your time with us. Hope these sessions are helping you and consider subscribing to our channel so we can take this content to many more. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.